Our today's topic related to one of the modern world's wonder, a airport, not just a normal airport, but an extraordinary engineering marvel. The Kansai, the engineering marvel of 28th century, that we will come to know during our discussions why it is an engineering marvel that we are so eager to discuss about having been so old topic to be discussed. The Kansai is an international airport located on an artificial island in the middle of the Osaka Bay of the Honshu shore, 38 kilometers southwest of Osaka Station. The work on Kansai was started in the year 1987. The Kansai engineers took only 5 years to build that engineering marvel. The Kansai opened on 4th September 1994 to relieve the overcrowding at the original Osaka International Airport, referred to as Itami Airport. Now in today's time, it handles only domestic flights. In the 2016, 25.2 million passengers used the airport, making it the 38th busiest airport in the Asia and the 3rd busiest in Japan. The Kansai was named Best Airport Staff in Asia, the World Best Airport Staff and the World Best Airport for the baggage delivery in the 2020. Now we will going to discuss why the Kansai Airport required on the first hand during the 1990s. In the 1960s, when the Kansai region was rapidly losing the trade to the Tokyo, the planner proposed a new airport near the Kobe and Osaka. The Kobe's businesses have to do the business with the Tokyo. They have to export their good and they import their raw materials through Tokyo. That's why need of airport was need of the hour. The another problems was there. Their permanent Itami airport is located in the densely populated suburbs of Itami and the Toyonaka, was surrounded by buildings. It could not be expanded. That was an impossible task and many of its neighbors had filed complaints because of noise pollution problems. After the protests surrounding the new Tokyo International Airport in the 1960s, which was built with expropriated and in the rural part of the Chibe prefecture, the planner decided to build the airport offshore. The new airport to revitalize Osaka, which was losing the economic and the cultural ground to the Tokyo for most of the century. Initially, the airport was planned to be built near Kobe, but the city of Kobe refused the plan, so the airport was moved to a more southerly locations on Osaka Bay. The Kansai construction started in the 1987 and the seawall was finished in 1989, which was made of rock and the 4,800 tetrapods. The tetrapods used to break the waves. 3 mountains were excavated for 21 million meter cube and 180 million meter cube was used to construct the island. 10,000 workers and the 10 million work hours over the 3 years using the 8 ships were needed to complete the 30-meter layer of earth over the seafloor and inside the seawall. In the 1990, a 3-kilometer bridge was completed to connect the island to the mainland at the Rinku Tower at a cost of 1 billion. The island had been predicted to sink 5.7 meter by the most optimistic estimate as the weight of the material used for construction compressed the seabed sills. However, by the year 1999, the island had sunk 8.2 meter, much more than the predicted. The project became the most expensive civil works in the modern history after the 20 years of planning and 3 years of construction and $15 billion of investment. The project was turned out to be a catastrophic failure due to the sinking island because nobody knows when it will stop sinking, but it is still there to serve the Japan and the world. The engineers achieved this marvel through the hard work and the good planning and the deserves the accolade from everyone. That's why the Kansai lesson was also applied in the constructions of Hong Kong International Airport. In the year 1991, the terminal construction commenced to compensate for the sinking of island. Adjusted columns were designed to support the terminal building. These are extended by inserting the thick metal plates at their bases. Government official proposed reducing the length of the terminal to cut the cost, but the architect Renzo Piano insisted on keeping the terminal at its full planned length. The airport was opened on 4th September 1994. On 17th January 1995, the Japan was struck by the Kobe earthquake, the epicenter of which was about 20 km away from Kobe International Airport. But the Kobe escaped unscratched. Not even a glass plate was broken. On the 22nd September 1998, the airport survived a typhoon with an wind speed over 130 miles per hour. On the 19th April 2001, the airport was one of the 10 structures given the Civil Engineering Monument of Millennium Award by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The sink rate of island on which airport was built fell from 50 cm per year during 1994 to 7 cm per year in 2008. In 2003, believing that the sinking problems was almost over, the airport operator started to construct a 4,000-meter second runway and terminal. The second runway opened on the 2nd August 2007, but with the original planned terminal portion postponed, that lowered the project cost to the Japanese yen 910 billion and the saving almost 650 billion from the first estimate. The new runway allowed the airport to start the 24-hour operation in the September 2007. On the 4th September 2018, the airport was hit by the typhoon Jebi. The airport had paused the operation after the seawater surges inundated the island. The runway were hit and the water reached up to the engines of the some aircrafts. We only wish good luck to this kind of engineering marvels, and we pray to the God it survive for the next thousands years. That is all from today from us. See you tomorrow.